You just like, you just
So
1 years
guys,
old.
it's me. So ba,
You just like,
pinturahan
you
ko
just
na
1 year
ng black. Nakat ko lang guys kasi I don't even...
You're not a
Hindi
teenager,
ko
bro.
na
You're
ano
not a
guys,
teenager.
sasadya. Nakat ko lang. So let's get a room tour. This is TV, living
This is
room,
not
and
looking
this
so
is the
good.
kitchen. So ito yung ano. So butang na to diri ang ano. Sakyanan, car na to, na ocean man. So I'm going back to the ocean. It's not all English here. It's not all. So is there a swimming pool? Wala ako swimming pool. So naulo lang swimming pool. But there is a swimming pool. Let's just close that. Hi guys, po dito guys.
This is a beautiful
Pwede din
day,
tayo mag-
but not touch the water because I cannot swim.
Can you just shut up?
No? Just gonna relax and sit
This
down.
is so, anong guys? Ching, ching,
Beautiful
ching, ching.
life.
Where's,
Sit and relax.
where's she?
Ah,
Asa ka, Ryle?
I'm sitting down normally.
Asa ka?
In the ocean, I'm sitting down normally.
Okay. Let's go in here. That's this timer. Okay, let's go.
I'll fall asleep.
Lock natin. Baka meron makasunod at i-rob yung house natin.
Mew, mew, mew,
Ang
mew.
tagal naman
Atik-atik
ito.
na nagkuha ka prank. Mew, 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 mew. Z, 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 Z. Z, 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 Z.
Mag-sneak tayo, guys. Hindi tayo.
Nagkuha na ka prank and then fine.
Asan
Ako
siya,
sa outside in the ocean and natulog ko. Nagkuha ka prank ka ako.
Where are you?
In the outside, chilling in the ocean.
I'm sorry. Gonna sneak and just prank her. There she is. Boo!
Wow! What the fuck?
Oh, I'm sorry. Where are you? Oh, you can swim. I thought you can't. Wait, I'm gonna